There, sir.
What do you think about like
Get your
chocolate that
kiss your tongue on. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill this piece of meat.
you know that what that chocolate bar is like the 100 grand?
It's a 1 grand.
No, like that's what it's called, 100 grand.
What about 2 grand?
Do you not know what that is?
No.
You do. Such a 100 grand chocolate bar.
Okay.
And tell
100
me,
grand.
if you've seen anyone ever like that.
Oh, that one. Actually, not gonna lie. I actually kind of like those.
I don't even think I have.
I thought
You know,
you were talking about. I thought you were talking about a chocolate bar that actually costs 100 grand.
No. Tell you this, bro. There was one person I knew who liked those a lot.
Like what?
100 grand chocolate, and so then I got them a bag of it.
Oh my god.
Well, Loki, no, did I not wait that?
Immediately.
Yo, watch me cooking this mini game. Play my mini game.
What is going on?
Just fell
Man, get
off
this.
a cliff.
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh, you expected me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Man, shut up. Man, shut up. Stupid steak.
Man, if you guys want a steak, boy, steak bite.
Bro, I'm finna beat this meat.
Oh, this has to be a setup.
Has to be.
Where are the people? I got free loot.
Bro,
I missed him. I didn't get my knife at time. Wasn't able to get that one. Stupid. Some meat.
Free meat.
Charlie, more like lamb.
Bro.
You built like Charlie? That's why you eyes extended.
Oh! Hashtag roasted, hashtag cooked, hashtag top roasted 2029.
Oh.
Oh.
Yo, I beat this meat.
That's crazy.
The meat has been beaten. Man, shut up. Zesty ass steak. I go to medium.
I got a zesty ass steak.
Wow.
Cute. Yeah.
Locked in. I'm locking in. Chill, mom. Chill.
I didn't even mean to beat the meat.
I
just
got my dog.
I get the medium.
I'm not murdered on me.
Hey. Zesty steak.
Do you see me doing this? Are you spectating?
Yes.
Isn't this cool?
No.
Isn't this what all the cool kids do?
Mm-mm.
Commit pepper eyes.
Don't lock it in. What is this?
Bow down to me. I am King Sigma.
Ooh.
Just curse yourself with losing.
Huh?
You just curse yourself with losing.
No, I said bow down to me because I'm King Sigma. Now I'm never gonna lose.
Bomb?
I'm telling you.
Man,
just curse yourself
freaky
with losing.
meat!
No, I didn't. Watch.
Bro, this
If I get-
meat super freaky. Man, get this freaky meat out of bro, I'm finna kill this freaky meat.
Well, there's only 9 people. I'm gonna win. Oh my god. Am I ready to come to chase the bag? I don't wanna go. I don't wanna keep going. Stop.
Stop using the fucking balls then, dumbass.
I was trying to go back.
It doesn't work like that.
That's how it works.
No, it doesn't.
Look, see?
Yeah, but that's okay. Look, go backwards and then you need to go forward.
I just went back.
No, go backwards. Swim backwards. And then behind you go back. Dumbass.
I just did that. Oh my god, I'm up now. I'm literally so lucky. I'm so lucky, lucky. God, I won it.
Man, gross! Get this meat out of here.
I'm so lucky. I am really lucky, actually. Watch this. Oh wait, watch this. I just exploited.
Are you gonna hold it down?
Yeah, you can.
Creepy.
Oh, there's someone up there. Was that someone or is that? What is that?
Man, shut up. Man, shut up.
Look,
Shut
there's a
up.
sign. Whoa!
I'm finna. Bro.
I'm finna lose my dog. No, my brother did not teach me how to face a bad.
Laugh. Okay, that's gonna. I'm just gonna end. How long? 6 minutes?
That's just perfect.
I'll do the minigame one more time and I'll end the video. Man, frick the stick. Man, frick this meat. Man, frick the meat. Man, frick it. Yo, watch me cook. Stop making noise. Leaky meat. Stab in right in the meat. Stab the meat in the meat.
Where's everyone at, bro? Hey, my brother told me to take a bag. I'm gonna go push those people, and if I die, I'm not gonna die though. But like, if I do, then
You're cursed with losing, bro. Don't do it.
I'm not losing.
Bro, sing
I'm
it.
gonna win.
Bro, I
I'm
think you
gonna
will
win.
Uzi first.
I did the secret. I got the bag. It's out there.
What's your favorite little Uzi Vert song?
Little furry. Little furry. Little furry.
Zero
Oh my
misses.
God.
Cooked so hard.
Sorry.
I told you.
How did I die?
Hey.
Just died. You placed fifth.
Exactly. At least I made it to fifth, top 5. Let's go.
But you didn't get the victory royale.
Don't matter. I made it top 5. That's my goal.
No, the goal is to get #1 win victory royale.
And I am. Because I don't take L's.
Man, shut up. Alright, Charlie Nation, that was the end of... I'm gonna kill you!